So today on the table, I've got a white PS4 Slim. And if you push down on this section here and up towards the camera, you should be able to take off the hard drive cover. Just like so. Then from there, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Once this is removed, you'll be able to take out your existing hard drive. Anyway, this PS4 Slim, I didn't say PS4 Lite, no, that's Nintendo, is getting a hard drive upgrade. Currently, it's got a 500 gig drive in there, I believe it is. And this will be getting replaced with a 2 terabyte Seagate Fire CUDA, which should provide ample storage, hopefully for the life of this device. Matter of fact, we are a Toshiba drive, which personally I'm not overly a fan of, but they do store data, they do work. So once you get the tray out, there's another 4 screws you need to remove, and once those 4 screws are removed, you should be able to take the hard drive out of the tray. Then from there, you need to unbox your new hard drive that's going in there. As we can see, Seagate 2 terabyte Fire CUDA. It's going to be a decent replacement. And funnily enough, the 2 terabyte drive is actually skinnier than the Toshiba drive, the original drive that was in there. Anyway, enough of the comparison. Time to get the drive in. It may help if the correct orientation is used. There we go, that's a bit better. And using your Phillips head screwdriver, you should be able to reinsert the screws from there. And then an easier way to figure out the orientation of the drive is look for the screw hole that's required. Slot the drive in, push it all the way down, then reinsert your Phillips head screw from there. And then you're right to put the cover over it from there. From here, you'd have to jump onto the PlayStation website and download the full installer and put that onto a USB to do a full fresh reinstall of the PS4. I typically recommend upgrading your hard drive when you get the console, not halfway through, as it's considerably easier to do the upgrade then, rather than having to worry about migrating data. As you can see, one cover back on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.